In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize all letters in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to quickly transform text in a Google Sheet to uppercase, whether you're working with a single cell or multiple entries. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First things first, we need to open a Google Sheet. This can be done by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting an existing spreadsheet or creating a new one. If you're new to Google Sheets, don't worry. Access is simple, and you can start a new sheet by clicking New and then Google Sheets from the Options menu. Once your sheet is open, you're ready to start working with the text. Next, select the cell where you want the capitalized text to appear. This step is crucial because it's where the uppercase version of your text will be displayed after we run the function. If you're working with a table or list, you might want to choose a cell adjacent to your existing text to keep things organized. Now, let's move on to entering the upper function. Click on the cell you just selected and type in the formula bar. You'll start with an equal sign, which tells Google Sheets that you're inputting a formula. Then, type upper, followed by an open parenthesis. This function is specifically designed to convert text to all uppercase letters, and it's incredibly straightforward to use. With the upper function in place, it's time to choose the cell containing the text you want to capitalize. If you wish to input the text directly, simply type it within quotation marks inside the parentheses. However, if the text is already in another cell, just click that cell or type its reference here. For example, if your text is in cell A1, your formula will look something like this. Upper A1. This tells Google Sheets to take the text from cell A1 and convert it to uppercase. Finally, press Enter to execute the function. What you'll see now is the text you wanted to convert displayed in all capital letters in the cell you initially selected. And that's all there is to it. This method is swift and straightforward, making it an essential tool for anyone who regularly works with text in Google Sheets. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you need to apply the upper function to a whole column or range of cells, just use the formula in a single cell and drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right of the highlighted cell, down or across the range. Google Sheets will automatically adjust and apply the uppercase transformation to all the cells in the selected range. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to convert text to uppercase in Google Sheets. Whether for professional or personal use, this skill will undoubtedly come in handy. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!